Types of overhead cranes in China. Which one is right for you? Introduction to overhead cranes. An overhead crane is a powerful lifting device that moves heavy materials across a workshop. It's used in industries like steel mills, factories, and warehouses. Overhead cranes are mounted above your workspace and can move items across the facility efficiently. Top running versus under running cranes. There are two main types of cranes, top running and under running. Top running cranes are installed on top of beams and are suitable for larger loads and longer spans. Under-running cranes hang from the ceiling and are great for smaller workshops with low ceilings and lighter loads. Single girder versus double girder. Next, you'll need to choose between single girder and double girder cranes. Single girder cranes are more affordable and ideal for light to medium loads, usually up to 20 tons. Double girder cranes are stronger and more suitable for heavy-duty lifting, with higher lifting capacities and more flexible hoist options. Special application cranes. Some cranes are built for specific tasks. Explosion-proof cranes are used in hazardous environments like chemical plants. Electromagnetic cranes are perfect for handling steel plates or scrap metal. Grab bucket cranes work with bulk materials like coal or sand. Metallurgy cranes are used in high-temperature environments like steel foundries.